యాజ్ యూజువల్ గా మనోజ్ 9 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఈ క్యాలెండర్ షూట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాడు. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్రతి గర్ల్స్ ఈస్ బ్రింగింగ్ ఆన్ టు ది క్యాలెండర్. అండ్ దిస్ ఇయర్ ఆల్సో లైక్ I can see in the last 9 years there is a progress. This year is really phenomenal places, and the presentation is very nice and so beautiful, and he has brought into many cultures in one calendar. That is really a good thing, which was not seen earlier seen in a different angles, different postures, but this time he has blend culture and some good looking plus some good poses, but are all beautiful calendar. Everybody can keep it at home. That is the most important thing. That's what he has done. I think so far, if you see 12 into 9, almost 108 girls you have got on the calendar. There are some common names like Shreya and Catherine or Kajal. They have been reported even many times here. But all the best for all of you. Looking for good achievements in your life. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Na peru Riya Sachdeva. First of all, I want to thank Manoj sir for giving all of us this opportunity to be here, to be one of the faces, to be one in front of you all. And secondly, and most importantly, I want to thank all of you for making time and being here and supporting us always. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Thank you so much for so much of love and support.
Namaste, I'm Aishwarya Krishna. I'm truly enthralled to be a part of this magical evening, the 9th edition of My South Diva Calendar 2025. So, every girl desires to be captured in the most beautiful manner, and I'm so happy today because Manoj sir has truly captured all of us in our most beautiful self. So thank you, Manoj sir. Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Palak Agrawal and I'm so glad to be here. This is my first time getting featured in My South Divas calendar. That's me. That was my shot for Kiara Jewelers. We did that shot in Dubai, and I'm super excited to be here in Hyderabad, and hoping to receive love and support from you all. Thank you.
Hello everybody, a very good evening, and this is Kanika Man. First of all, I want to thank Mr. Manoj, very busy host. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much for making me a part of your superb calendar, which has been... Oh, it's the 9th year. So yeah, amazing. And I want to say one thing here. I just got to know that Mr. Manoj was a journalist before. So हमारे लिए सबके लिए कितनी प्राउड वाली बात है, आप सबके लिए एक्चुअली, कि one amongst you is doing such great work. So really proud of you and thank you so much हमें इस जर्नी में शामिल करने के लिए. And thank you so much everybody. So this is my first time appearance in Hyderabad and I'm really enjoying it. मैं बाहर देख रही थी क्योंकि मैं मुंबई में काम करती हूँ, तो टेलीविजन में तो अलग माहौल होता है. आज मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा था, नए चेहरे देखने को मिल रहे थे एंड बहुत मजा आ रहा था. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर मेकिंग टाइम फॉर अस एंड आई होप कि मैं आप सबको देखती रहूंगी, मिलती रहूंगी. Thank you. I'm very happy to be here and I congratulate Manoj because I know him from a couple of years and he asked me for this calendar but I was shooting in Sydney. So today I'm in Hyderabad just because of Manoj and just to support him, be with him, and I'm very happy to feel that this calendar is doing its 9th year and every year he shoots amazing pictures and he introduced so many new talents to the industry. So very happy to be here. Thank you.
Okay, na peru Richa Joshi. So we are here to have the launch of My South Diva calendar of the 9th edition of it by Manoj Katokar Garu, and I've seen throughout these years that he is very dedicated and very true to his craft, and it's very beautiful moment today that I'm here, invited by him to be part of this launch, and I really wish him all the best for his future endeavors. And thank you media for coming here. Thank you so much.
Thank you to the media. Thank you so much Manojji for inviting me here as a guest, and thank you so much for all the honored guests who are here.
సో ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్ ఈ రోజు నా మూవీ రజాకార్ ఆహా టీవీలో రిలీజ్ అయింది అండ్ మీడియా హ్యాస్ షోన్ సో మచ్ లవ్ టువర్డ్స్ ఇట్ దట్ ఐ వాంట్ టేక్ దిస్ మూమెంట్ అండ్ ఐ వాంట్ థ్యాంక్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఫర్ ద సక్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ద మూవీ, ఫర్ ఆల్ ద good words that I've been receiving, and really thank you for taking our message to a larger audience. And it's really a beautiful calendar here, and hoping to work with you very soon, Manoj ji. Thank you so much, everyone.
Minds Out Diva.